Hey, this is Mikey with the Hair Business Blueprint, and today I'm going to show you how to register a domain name for your hair business along with a few tips and tricks. Before I get started, I wanted to bring attention to something really special from us at the Private Label team. I have a link below to the Private Label Diversity and Cosmetology Scholarship. Our Private Label team works with thousands of hairstylists and understands the challenges and expenses in getting a career started, especially for disadvantaged Black hairstylists. To support more equitable opportunities and a more diverse future in the beauty industry, the Private Label Diversity and Cosmetology Scholarship will support one Black hairstylist attending or planning to attend cosmetology school. This is an ongoing quarterly scholarship opportunity, so please check it out or share it with someone that could really use this. Now, back to registering a domain name. Your first question might be, why do I need to register a domain name? Well, the domain name is needed for your website. It's kind of like your street address for your home. You can't just have a home with no address. Nobody would ever find it. And we need people to find your website and products. Don't worry, a domain name is cheap and easy to get, especially with the tips and tricks I'm about to show you. There are literally thousands of places to register a domain name, but I highly recommend GoDaddy. What I like about GoDaddy is it has great technology partnerships with all the other services like WordPress and Shopify that makes connecting the domain name to the platforms much easier. Same with Google with email. GoDaddy is the place to register your domain name. Now, all you have to do is go to GoDaddy, and let's just say I wanted to start Mikey Hair Co. Okay, so mikeyhairco.com. Hey, it's available. $1 a month for the first year. Well, that sounds interesting. That's $12 a year, right? So, okay, not bad. They even have mikeyhair.com. You can see some of the suggestions here to get some ideas. There might have been something better. So honestly, I would say drop the co to keep the name shorter. And then you have mikey.com is available, $1 a month. But remember, that's $12 a year. Now, let's just say I wanted to go with this and I was like, wow, I have the perfect name. Hold on, pump the brakes a little bit. Let's go through a few more steps before you register it. First things first, let's head over to Google and search GoDaddy coupon, okay? We go over here and you can see GoDaddy even has their own coupon section. Click on this. We have domains, get a .com for only $4.99 for the first year. See what I'm saying? I just saved you more than 50% off your domain registration right here by searching for a coupon. You just click show code. There it is. You copy and paste that. So when you're checking out, you add to the cart, you would add the coupon. You're good to go. Now, if you're having trouble finding some domains on GoDaddy, you might want to check out this service, Instant Domain Search. This has a list of all the recently expired domain names, and it might spark some ideas as far as a name for your hair business. So let's just say I searched hair. Okay, you can see there's all these different domains available that have hair inside. So this is something that you could get, some good ideas from. Now, let's just say going back to mikeyhair.com, I was going to do Mikey Hair. I would head over to Instagram first and see if Mikey Hair was available. Now, I have Facebook up here as well. We're going to get to that, but Instagram is the most important because it's front facing where it would say Mikey Hair here. So Mikey Hair. Sorry, this page is not available. That means it is available as an Instagram name. So now, if the domain name and the Instagram name matches up, I'm getting pretty excited because we have something here. Now, if I went over to Facebook and I put, you have facebook.com/Mikey Hair. Someone has Mikey.hair. Okay. But see, you can make your page Mikey Hair and it's not as important as far as what the URL is because it's not front facing. But on Instagram, it would be @MikeyHair. That's pretty important. With Facebook, you just send people to your page. It's not really as much the URL. If you can match it all, I would recommend doing that. I know that's not really related to how to register a domain, but I think it's an important part of registering a domain. So this should help you get started with getting your domain name registered. Now that you know what the proper steps are to register a domain name, go ahead and grab one. It's also needed so you have a professional email address, which is going to be a key part of you looking like a legitimate business. And if you have any questions about a domain name for your business, just leave it in the comments below, and make sure to check out the links for my websites, the Hair Business Blueprint, and the Hair Business Masterclass.